Hi and welcome to another Hosting Your Academy tutorial. I'm Kestutis and today I'll show you how to fix the ERR SSL version or CIPHER mismatch error. This error occurs when a web browser fails to establish a secure connection with an SSL-enabled website. Several issues can trigger this, but in most cases it's due to an invalid SSL certificate or an old browser version. If it appears on your website, it will label the website as potentially unsafe, which will discourage visitors from progressing further. That's why knowing how to troubleshoot this error is essential. This way, you can provide a safe and smooth browsing experience for your visitors. In this video, I'll share 6 easy ways to fix this error. The first thing I recommend doing when you encounter the error is to perform an SSL and TLS check for the website. To do this, you can use an online SSL server test tool from SSL Labs. This tool enables you to verify the validity of an SSL connection and identify server configuration issues. First, go to SSL Labs site. Click the Test Your Server button. This will bring you to the SSL server test page. Type in the domain name of the website you want to test and click on Submit. Wait a few minutes as it will take a while for it to go through all the scans. After it's done, you will be shown an overall rating based on 4 aspects: certificate, protocol, support, key exchange, and CIPHER strength. It will also provide a detailed summary of what it based that rating on. Using this information, you can pinpoint the root problem quickly, making the troubleshooting process easier. Another option is to disable Google's QUIC protocol. Even though the protocol is initially used to improve site connection and solve security issues, it does sometimes trigger the error. This is because firewalls rarely recognize QUIC as web traffic, leaving the site's network security at risk. Therefore, disabling it just might do the trick. To achieve this, open Google Chrome and type chrome:/flags into the address bar. Search for experimental QUIC protocol, then click the drop-down menu and select Disable. Finally, click Relaunch to restart the web browser. Still no luck? Try clearing your browser's web history and cache. If you're a Google Chrome user, follow these steps. Go to the Settings menu and search for the Privacy and Security tab. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Tick the Cached Images and Files box. Click the Time Range drop-down menu to choose the exact time frame you wish to remove the data for. Hit the Clear Data button. Lastly, refresh the browser and try accessing the website with the error once more. If clearing the web cache doesn't work, try clearing the SSL slate in the operating system you're currently using. I am going to show you an example of this on Windows. Open the Start menu and go to the Internet options. Navigate to the Content tab and click Clear SSL State. Hit OK to save the changes and close the dialog box. Clearing the SSL slate will remove all the certificates that are stored locally on your computer. So, the next time you revisit your website, the browser will revalidate the certificate, which just might help solve the issue. One of the issues that cause the error is when a website runs an old TLS version. That's why it's important to ensure that your site supports the latest version of the TLS protocol. At the time of recording, it is TLS 1.3. Most modern web browsers, such as Google Chrome, are already compatible with TLS 1.3. You can try enabling all the TLS versions on your operating system. I will show you how to do it on Windows. Head to the Control panel and choose Network and Internet. Click Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab and tick all the Use TLS options. Click OK to save the changes. If none of these solutions work, the last resort is to turn off your antivirus for a short time. The antivirus HTTPS scanning feature can interfere with the SSL connection process and prevent access to the website. To know if your antivirus software causes the error, try to disable it temporarily. Then restart your computer and try to revisit the website again. If the error message disappears, you know you have found the right solution. That sums it up. I covered 6 potential ways to help you resolve the ERR SSL version or CIPHER mismatch error. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video if anyone you know has issues with this error. Make sure to subscribe to Hostinger Academy to get more troubleshooting tutorials like this one. Best of luck in your online journey.